Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, October 7th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss, and we're starting off on the daily time frame. So on the US dollar Swiss, I still think this needs to go down and hit the 78%, which it has not done yet. But based on other dollar pairs and based on the pattern, I think this is possibly three waves here. I think this is a likely WXY, and I think we might end up pushing up more, maybe even up to these highs, making a pullback before we actually continue back down like this. So keeping that in mind, if it does break below here, then that definitely invalidates the idea of it going up, and we would have to continue to be bearish at that point. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, we would have to still be pretty bullish unless it breaks this structure to the downside. I personally would be looking to go long at all these little peaks right here unless we get that breaker structure to the downside. And if we do get that breaker structure to the downside, then instead of looking for longs, I'll start looking for shorts on pullbacks. But for now, I think that we are more likely in a pattern to the upside, probably for some sort of a WXY or maybe even like a ABCDE pattern on the daily time frame. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.